Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to be using my Inktense pencils to do a little, it's like a suitcase with a little blanket and a book and an apple in a field of grass. Um, I was just excited for spring to get here and wanted to just feel springy, so these Inktense pencils really help a lot. I also used my Inktense blocks mostly for the background area or the grass and stuff to kind of fill in that space, the bigger areas. I used some liquid masking fluid to help mask off stuff while I was working on other sections, just to keep it from um, having to go over so much. Like the apple, I didn't want the green grass on it because then you layer on top of it with red and it'll look weird. It'll look brown instead of red. So that's a good tip if you're doing multiple layers of stuff. You can use masking fluid to help protect the areas you're not working on at the moment. And make sure when you're working in layers that you let your work dry before you add the next layer. That way it doesn't damage your paper. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.